In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist Habit Tracker in this full 2025 tutorial. Let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently track your habits using Todoist. To begin, go ahead and navigate to the Todoist login page. Once you've reached the login portal, you'll have a few different options to sign in, so choose the method that's most convenient for you, whether it's through email, Google, or another service. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Now take a glance over at the top left corner of the screen where you can spot your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that to open up the drop-down menu. What you'll want to do next is to click on Settings from this drop-down list. This will direct you to your account settings page, an essential hub for managing various aspects of your Todoist experience. Within the settings, look for the section labeled Integrations. Here, you'll be able to connect different applications and services to your Todoist account. You'll see that when you click on Integrations, a new set of options will appear. To proceed, click on Browse, which allows you to search through available integrations. Type in Habit Tracker into the search bar. This handy tool will help you monitor and build consistent habits. When the Habit Tracker option appears, click on it to view more details. To integrate it with your Todoist account, simply click on Add. The system will ask for a confirmation, so be sure to click Confirm to complete the installation of the Habit Tracker. Once the Habit Tracker is successfully added, click the back arrow to return to the main integrations page. Here, select Installed to confirm that the Habit Tracker is now active in your application lineup. Seeing it listed here means you're all set to start tracking your habits. With the integration done, let's apply it to one of your tasks. Navigate back to your task list and pick a task that you'd like to track as a habit. Once selected, look towards the top right corner of the task window where you'll find three little dots. Clicking these will open a menu. From the menu, find and click on Track Habit. You're nearly done. The last step is straightforward. Simply click on Track Task to start keeping tabs on how regularly you complete this task as part of developing a habit. It's just that simple. By keeping track, you are setting yourself on a path to not only stay organized, but also cultivate productive habits. And there you have it. You now know how to integrate and use the Habit Tracker with Todoist, helping you to stay on top of your goals and build better habits effortlessly. Thanks for following along and happy tasking.